Speedcuber is someone that solves twisty puzzles for speed as quickly as possible. My fastest time at home is 5.79 seconds, two-handed, and I think 9.49 seconds one-handed. So at a competition, we download a scrambling program called T-Noodle, which will generate scrambles for an event. So on the cube there are 6 faces: up, down, right, left, front, back, which are represented by letters U, R, L, F, D, B. So R means turn the right face clockwise, and you can follow this so that everyone gets the same scramble. And this will match that. So then we get to the competitor. The competitor has 15 seconds to inspect. And start their solve. The judge verifies that it is indeed solved, and it is brought back to the scrambling table for the next scramble.